that's the start button. One on the inside.
So, first reaction.
It's fucking gorgeous. It's
Black as the abyss, as you wanted it.
as dark as my soul.
Yeah, exactly.
It's definitely got that. I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it.
Yeah.
It's you looked inside my mind. I love how discreet the paint job is on it. It's nice when it just catches the sun and you get
Yeah.
that little glint.
Yeah, you should see it in full sunlight.
Because
Yeah.
I didn't want it to be like a showy look at me type thing.
No.
So that's nailed it.
Yeah. Yeah, Luke did an awesome job. I mean, all our paint is done by Luke, LA Coatings, and the seat with
That's
your
just
knuckles.
fantastic.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a thing. Anybody who really knows me knows what that is.
Yeah.
And it was nice to get that in on the back. It's very nicely done as
Yeah.
well. Also discreet.
Yeah.
It's not, but if anybody sees it, they'll be like, 456. It's got to be Alex.
Yeah. And then Tom tried to get the stitching a little bit to match the grey color, just to. Yeah.
What can I say? It looks amazing.
Yeah. So the brief was a blacked out West Coast chopper. So I think that's what this is.
It nails it. It's just exactly what I wanted.
Good.
It's perfect.
Well, I have a seat on it because since last time we moved the forward controls back, I think 3 inches.
Yeah, me being a short ass.
Well, I'm so
it's,
glad you say it.
I know where I am.
Yeah. So the handlebars, we can still pull the handlebars straight. No, pull them straight. Yeah. Yeah. We can still tilt them back a little bit. But let's take a look at these first.
That's not bad.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, good. Yeah. We couldn't pull them back any closer because we're going to have a clearance issue with the exhaust coming down. So originally you had your peg there. So
Yeah.
it's about 3-4
No,
inches back.
that's right. I can reach.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Bit
Good.
different to what I'm used to, but I'll soon get used to that.
Yeah, and like I said, we can tilt these back a little bit. If they're still a little bit too much forward, we can give them another inch back. But that's a matter of riding, and then maybe a little bit.
Yeah, maybe just a
We can tilt them
just
a little
tad.
bit. Yeah,
A tad back, just
Yeah.
like that, and I'm just slightly not forward.
that's easy enough.
I love
That's
that
what you mentioned, George, as well, that we need to just tilt the handlebars just a little bit back.
You can do that. I've got
Yeah.
technology. Now spanner will undo stuff.
I love it that I've had to come down here several times for a fitting. It's like, yeah.
Well, it's a hard brief for a guy of your
you can
length.
say it. I'm a short ass.
It's the same bloody height as me, for Christ's sake.
Yeah, I know you're a short ass, but to get a bike that's up and out to fit your frame,
There's 3 short asses here, and him.
4.
Vertically challenged.
3. Oh yes, 4 of us.
Yeah,
Can't even count.
yeah,
Oh, I love this.
yeah.
Them controls are super.
So you got
slick.
all your indicators in here. All the wires go through the handlebars, of course, and then you've got your 2 buttons here, and everything is controlled through your. Yeah.
It's so slick. It's light as well, huh?
Yeah.
Man.
I think, George, it's time we start it. What do you think?
Let's all start.
No, I said I think it's time to start it.
Yeah. Oh, shall I do it for you? Right, ignition switch here. Basically, it's one position really. On, and you'll see that this will come up, and the speedo will do a sweep. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need any choke because I have fired up before. That's the start button. One on the inside. that one changes the functions on there.
That what?
This one here changes the functions on the speed on that. Okay? What do they do? I don't know. That's battery voltage, that one. Keeps on a charge as well. Quite handy.
It's easier to explain without the noise.
I've done it now.
Okay.
I can do it again.
I love it. It sounds
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
But
It's,
no, it's you
it's-
got your three-way indicator, so it's run, brake, and they're super bright. If you stand behind it,
I was going to say it.
you got the
So
side
that's the
light
back
there.
light.
Yeah,
that's
the
that's back, and then you got brake.
brake light.
That's brake light, and then you got indicators. They're all in one, and they're fully CE legal.
That's
Not that you
slick.
give a shit, but you're actually conforming to the law. Yeah, and then in the front we have the same indicators, but then of course not with here. Down here.
Yeah.
There you go. So you got your indicators there.
They're crazy bright, huh?
They are.
They're brilliant.
I love
And then
it.
horn and high and low beam. So it's actually like
It's a proper.
It's-
what I wanted.
but keeping it
That
minimalist.
style, but functional, and I can use it as pretty much a daily ride.
Yeah, if you consider a hardtail West Coast chopper without a front fender a daily ride.
Yeah, why not?
Well, my other ride is a hardtail.
Yeah.
My daily go to work and go around town is a hardtail,
Yeah.
so I'm not new to it.
No. Very good. Yep, and you've got an override on your transmission, so highway you can cruise. Exhaust was done by Panda, stainless steel, but we Cerakoted it for you.
It's cool. When it was when I was seeing pictures of it on the stand, it looked. I guess just the way it was standing, the picture I saw, it looked really low.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, that looks really low.
Yeah, no,
But-
you're not going to scrape this.
No.
You're scraping this when you're putting the bike down. Try not to do that because that will be.
No, I'm not a knee down type of person.
No.
I love it. It's
Yep.
amazing.
And then we've done little things like the oil filter is back here, so we mounted it directly on the pump. So this is a bracket that allows you to mount it there, because otherwise those things need to be mounted somewhere. So it's nicely out of the way behind the exhaust. And then on the other side, we've done it with the regulator, because that has to go somewhere. So we've hit that here. So it's kind of out of the way. You've done that. You've done that.
Both those bits actually. Oh, lovely.
Very good.
Well,
It's wild.
Let's give George the praise of mounting it in the right way.
team.
Yeah.
Team effort. It's always a team effort.
Yeah.
A dream come true. Made an old man happy.
Very good. You're not that old.
Still younger than me, Alex.
Well, you're as old as the woman you feel, right?
How's your woman you
That makes
feel?
12 years old for George.
55 actually.
Okay. She looks like she's younger. Younger. Yeah.
It's stunning.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. I love how slick and tucked away and just tidy, clean everything is. It was what I wanted, but I didn't know. I mean, that's your job to achieve, not mine. I
Well,
don't
and,
know how
and the
to
nice
do
thing
it.
is, if you stand behind it, the proportions are right. It's not, the gas tank isn't too wide. You know, it's kind of it's not that wide of a bike.
Nope.